Hello. So today we're going to use this toilet things to disgusting toilet.
Excuse me.
Okay, sorry.
I need to get in the video too. Okay.
So I'm going to fill this with water.
Okay.
And see what happens.
Okay.
We're going to have 2 cups rolling.
Is it right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Did you wash them with soap, didn't you?
I did.
Okay.
Okay, I'm ready.
So we're going. Whoa. Whoa.
Wow, girlfriend. Is that cool?
Okay, let's put the purple on the hot.
Whoa, it's pink.
It's
pink. Is it juice or something?
This isn't doing the same thing as this. See how the hot water gets aggravated more and the cold water's just chilling?
Oh, yeah.
This is still fizzing a little bit, but this is fizzing even more because it's in hot.
This is going to be awesome.
Now let's pour the cold water.
Whoa.
Let's see.
That's amazing. Look, girl. Look at, I see it. Isn't it amazing?
Yeah. Whoa, that's...
Oh, wait, we can stir it.
Yeah. Let's just...
Like a spoon or something. Let me get a spoon.
Makes kind of a purplish color.
Let's try a spoon.
It's more black. It's going crazy. Isn't that awesome?
Yeah, girlfriend.
Okay, now we're going to test.
Whoa.
See? Now we're going to put it in here.
Wow, look at that. Can I do it too?
All you need to do is just put it like this.
I know, girlfriend.
Wow.
What's the dork happening?
We're making an experiment.
All right, be careful. That's dye. Don't get it on your clothes.
Oh, and don't drink it.
And don't put it in your mouth.
I'm not.
Oh, they've got dye things.
Looks like
that,
dye.
yeah, that you put in the back of the toilet, it says, to see if you've got a leak.
Oh, goodness. That's not a good idea. girls.
Yeah,
That
that's
stuff
not-
will stain.
Right, you don't
wanna
want to play with
that.
this
Where did you
stuff.
get that?
From her thing. Okay, let's get rid of this. 'Cause
Bad idea.
It's not dye stuff.
see right there, take
Does it
2
feel
tablets and put 1 in each toilet tank.
Okay, well that was the end of that video. That was the
Sorry.
Right, we don't want to.
Well, why would the Girl Scout people give it to us?
So you can check your toilets for leaks. It was all about water. It wasn't about making a mess.
It's not making a mess, Robbie.
Oh, please.
Sorry, guys.
That's
this,
okay.
but it was pretty cool though. Still, don't you think?
Yeah, it's really awesome.
Let's get
It's funny.
It was totally awesome.
It was funny that the reddish stuff went like when the cold stuff went, when the cold blue stuff went like didn't do anything.
Yeah. That was so funny.
Well, bye bye guys. That was the end of this spectacular video.
But
Yeah, girlfriend.
yeah, girlfriend. Oh, tell me what you want. What do you want, baby?
Okay, bye bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Oh,
and
yeah.
Go down in the comments below.
Comments below. We got it.
But no hate comments or
We
else
don't know hate comments or else that.
you're gonna make me mad.
I
I'm
know,
going
I
to
know.
give you strike.
No, don't give me strikes, okay?
I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to the haters. If you're a hater watching this, but if you aren't, you're good.
Yeah, you're good.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.